Hello guys, let's practice. I haven't practiced, so the edge of the table is here. Camera is there. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here. And I like playing with air. My energy is not that, I don't know about energy yet so much. You know, it could have been better if I could have a LG, what is it? LG LG wheel where it would measure your energy. That could be nice, but when I look at the price, never mind. I don't want to spend something when I'm not that great. Because I just want to play with air. Okay, so this is fun for me, especially if my thoughts are scattered. You know, scattered brain, they call it. No, I have so many thoughts in my mind and I want to focus. And this playing with, you know, I don't know if it's telekinesis or I'm just playing with air. Okay, so whatever works, whatever that you could describe this. I don't know if it's telekinesis or not, but yeah, I just like to play air. Maybe eventually in the future I would be able to use energy alone with no forcing of air, but I believe me and air we are tied. We are bound for each other, so let's just do it, okay? So the very first thing that I do is intention, okay? Intention, I don't do any, what is it called, binaural music, anything like that, no. Sometimes I would do this to my like this, my third eye. So okay, third eye and me and this one, so I could remember it when I think about it. Okay, so I don't know if that would help you guys to get your focus. And sometimes I do that just to, like, if I can focus my attention to the foil in my third eye. I don't know, I'm having fun. Okay, so it's up to you guys whether it you know, there's no rule in this world. Okay, all right, talking also created air, so let's see how it goes. So, and I normally would show my face because many people are not showing their face. Maybe they could just blowing there with air, and you can see my face. I'm not blowing anything, right? I'm being truthful. Okay, so what I created is air. See, let's go it. There's no intention, just air. That's it. Do you see that? Air. Okay, so you are pushing air, right? See, just a little bit, just air. Okay, and the more you push it, the more you created, like you know, when you are changing the field. Okay, so this is actually physics. Okay, there is a field here. You may not see it in our naked eye because we're blind to see it. And I have a test that I am discovering something, but I don't know. I don't want to say anything yet. But I think I saw a space and how the waves of not really particles. I didn't see any particles. My eyes is not that microscopic that I cannot really see the particles, but I can see fragments of lines in the space. See, if you talk about space, it's dark black color, right? Yes, I saw it, but I don't want to confirm it yet. Neurodivergent? I'm not. I don't know, it's just discovery, I guess. I don't. Well, someone did make a test out of it, but it's a different. They tested it for something, and this one I've discovered. It's not really discovered, but I don't know. I don't want to say anything. So right now we'll just play with my foil right now. This is air, okay? And if I do air here, do you see it? It's just like nothing, right? And if I would, yeah, so see if the air would can really, but if you do it like that, of course, it will create like a swirling wind here. That's why it can move, okay? So it can move, see? It can move, right? So So that's what it's just I'm just playing with air, okay? Alright. I know nothing about energy yet. Like pure energy, no, I don't want it. So and I would like to do this one like here because I'm trying to like build my relationship with energy. This way it would really help me, and if I feel like there's no static in my hand, you can feel it really. Do you notice like when you hug people and then you feel like your clothes have a static energy? That's why, because we are energy. Okay, so that's the meaning of it. We are, it's scientifically it's a it's scientifically known. Okay, it's static energy. Okay, that's why it's not superstitious or whatever. That's behind it. Okay, and right now I feel just a little bit of it, so we'll wake up the energy of our body, and so I'm trying to create like a heat energy right here, or heat friction, whatever, to wake up my energy. All right, and they said it's also something to do with food that you eat. If you want to have more energy, you need to eat more high vibrational food. The one I'm seeing is banana is good for it. Okay, and also because you gotta focus, and so that would be your pineal glands. Yeah, that you need to work on. So magnesium is good. There are other like components or supplements that you can do to clear that pineal glands of yours from decalcifying. I think I have a decalcified pineal gland, so I can, because I can't see anything clearly. Like my intuition is not as clear as others. So, but yeah, I'm still glad, you know. All right, here we go, and I think I can feel it a little bit. There's some, you know, you can test it though. You can feel like if there's like hot energy. Okay, and if I'm quiet, I want to be quiet because I want to focus. Me and the foil, me have a relationship. Okay, me and you can touch it as well, so you can bound your energy to the field of the foil. It would help. Okay, you just touch. Okay, so just telling the thing that your mind or your energy that you and this thing belongs to each other, belong to each other. Okay, all right, here we go. And I don't feel it, and I'll be quiet, okay, because I need to focus. Wow, that's very strong today. It's very strong. This spiral thing is really good, and you need to have the intention to move. And I think the words is better for me, for my energy, or I don't know, for my frequency. It's go, 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 go. When I say go, it's like it's flowing, and the way I point it is like that. It's more, it's like the energy is better, or like I don't know, it flows better. Okay, so let's do it one more time. I don't like that. I want it move. I want it move farther. Okay. No, I don't like that. I like it. I want it dance. Let's further down. Okay. I want it. I want it dance, or like go further. Okay. Yes. It's fun. Can you see it like that? No. Alright, let's do it more. I want it more farther. This is the farthest already. I want it far. It's far. It's far already. It's hard. One more time. It's hard when it's far. I can do it from here, but this one right here is very hard. Okay? It's a little bit of energy, yes. There is some energy in the air from my hand. Like the energy, my energy is holding the air in my hand so I can push it. Something like that. This way, it created like a heat energy in my palms. It makes static. Then I push it. See how you do it, right? Building a static to your hands, since the foil is, foil is have a conductor of energy, I think. So yeah, that's it. That's our video for today. I'm just playing with air with my little bit of energy in my hand. Okay, so but it's fun. I've been doing it. My very first time I do it is November, I think it was November 21, and today is January, what is it today? January 8th. So I did good considering I know nothing about energy. I don't know nothing about the process of everything. I was just trying to release energy, right? And I know is it not good to release energy? I don't know, but when I have overflow of energy, I need to release it, and this is my way of fun of releasing it, and it balances my entire energy. Okay, and also when I have scattered scattered thoughts, this helps me with to be stay and focus. It's like I have ADHD, It's not diagnosed, but I feel like I have it ever since. And so I get easily distracted. Yes, that's why this playtime of mine is really good. It helps me like focus on like one spot, right? Before, when I started like the very first week, it's like my mind is everywhere. I can't really focus, so I can't really move the thing with air. But then someone told me that, oh, you gotta have intention, and then you have to focus on one spot, and then that's it. And then I feel like, oh, this is where, and then I feel like, oh, this is the air, the movement of the air, and I can feel the air, and so I'm just guiding it. Like sometimes my hands like that, and then I feel like a little bit of when the air is more on my hands, like, oh, I can feel it. Oh, right. So I don't know if it's aerokinesis, but I don't know. I haven't tried it outside, like feeling the air in my hands, because I don't want people to see like, oh, this girl is crazy. I know I should not be fearful of what people think of me, but I just, when I'm comfortable with, practicing in the house, and if I'm already like confident that it's really, that I can really like feel, or like can really like manipulate the air, then I would do it publicly. But right now, stay in the house first. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect, right? So that's it. Thanks for sticking with my playtime today. Playtime with my air. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.